Let's discuss how the microscopic algae produce half of Earth's vital oxygen, that is the phytoplankton power. While we often give rainforest all the credit for the air we breathe, the true powerhouse of the Earth's oxygen supply is microscopic and invisible to the naked eye, that is phytoplankton. These tiny single-celled organisms drift in the sunlit upper layer of the world's ocean. Despite their microscopic size, their collective power is immense, serving as the literal lungs of our planet. Just like land planets, phytoplankton contain chlorophyll and generate their own food through photosynthesis. Floating at the ocean surface, they capture solar energy. They absorb dissolved carbon dioxide from the seawater, acting as a massive global carbon sink. Using sunlight, they split water molecules and combine them with carbon to create sugars for energy. As a byproduct of this chemical process, they release pure oxygen O2 back into the water and the atmosphere. 50% of Earth oxygens estimated by scientists that phytoplanktons are responsible for generating it. Half of the oxygen in our atmosphere is produced by phytoplanktons. Every second breath you take comes from the ocean. Beyond oxygen, they are the primary producer of the sea. They feed everything from microscopic zooplankton to the massive blue whale. By consuming vast amount of carbon dioxide, these microscopic algae play a critical role in keeping our global climate stable. If phytoplankton population decline due to rising ocean temperature or pollution, it impacts not just marine life but the very balance of breathable air on earth. If you find the story is good, then please do like and subscribe. Till then, bye bye and take care.